And Matoush.
All right, welcome back, everyone. Starting off with our satellite and radar. We have some cloud cover moving through the area this morning, but nothing major going on right now. It's just going to be another very warm day today with some very high heat index values, possibly approaching 110 degrees, and that's why we have a heat advisory in effect for all of northeast Kansas today through 9 p.m. And then there's a second heat advisory kind of underlaid, this one right here, underneath I should say. That one's for Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m. and that's only for the southern half of the viewing area. So a couple of warm days ahead, but a cold front is going to be bringing some relief. Incoming energy coming off of the Pacific Northwest right here. Our jet stream dipping down just a little bit. It may not look like a lot, but these are patterns we look for to help identify sources of incoming energy and chances for rain. Outside our central Topeka cam, a lovely start to the day. I just stepped outside and temperatures are indeed very warm, lower 80s for several spots across the region. 83 here in Topeka, feels like 86 though. We already have a heat index value in place, upper 60s for dew points, winds out of the south-southwest about 6 miles an hour. More temperatures in the upper 70s near Marysville, otherwise 80s abundant across northeast Kansas, 80 in Lawrence, 83 in Concordia. Overall, a very nice start to the day. You'll enjoy stepping out early this morning. 91 is where we're usually at for this time of year. We're heading further into July. Temperatures are still slowly inching up, but this 106 for a record of 1941, honestly, that's not that far out of the question today. We're going to be getting within 3, 4, maybe 5 degrees, and models are pretty confident in that as well. Widespread lower 100s look to be possible, if not probable. We've been very consistently highlighting today as one of the warmer days of the next 6 to 7 days. Maybe some upper 90s out there, but largely we can plan on those lower triple digits for another very warm start to the weekend. Sunday morning, more lower 80s out there. This is 8 a.m., so a little bit after sunrise. Could be seeing some middle 80s out there, some upper 70s towards our north. It's the afternoon that becomes a little bit tricky. We are expecting a cold front, and that's why the second half, or the bottom half of the viewing area south of the I-70 corridor, is under another heat advisory because we have some upper 90s, maybe lower 100s near Emporia and Burlington. But as this front drapes itself across the viewing area, the north side of town is going to be a little bit cooler, and that's why the heat advisory will expire. Wind speeds this afternoon coming out of the south, a good 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusting up towards 30. Mostly sunny skies through about 2, 3 o'clock. Cloud cover starts to come in late tonight, just before midnight. Can't entirely rule out a raindrop or two, especially by early tomorrow morning. And then that front comes through by the afternoon. 1 or 2 thunderstorms possibly in the forecast. After midnight Sunday, heading into early Monday morning, more thunderstorm chances popping up as that front hangs out in the region all the way through sunrise on Monday. So some disturbances and incoming energy really going to disrupt our weather for just a little bit. As mentioned, though, today the main story, heat index values approaching 110 degrees across the viewing area. It's going to be another very warm day. 102 for actual air temperatures. Heading into our Sunday, we have some middle 90s for a nice little bit of a relief in there, and then some showers and storms in the forecast really consistently as we head into next week, Katie. So I don't know about you, but I'm excited to bring on the